Okay, today we're going to show you how to fix your Insignia TV if it won't turn on. This fix should work with all Insignia models, including the Insignia Fire TV. We're going to show you several methods for fixing this problem. If you stay with us all the way to the end of the video and try each of these methods, there is a very high probability that this problem will be solved for you. Okay, the first thing to try here is really the simplest, and in most cases this one will actually work, so you might not even need to go on. Just basically unplug your TV from the wall, wait about 60 seconds. Now don't be impatient here, wait the 60 seconds, and then plug it back in. This will reset your TV. Now this is a lot different than switching the remote on and off, so do it from the wall plug. If this solves your problem, you're set. If not, let's go on to the next try. Okay, the next thing we're going to try here is I want you to remove both batteries from the remote control. Once you've got the batteries out, I want you to hold down the power button for 15 seconds. Now don't just do it for 5 seconds, do it for the full 15. Then put the batteries back in the remote and try to turn on the TV. One final note here. If this does resolve your problem, you're all happy, you can watch TV again, and then maybe a few days later or a week later, the same problem occurs again. You want to go through the following procedure, and this will permanently fix the problem. This is a factory reset. This will restore your TV to exactly the way it was when you bought it. For most models out there, including the Fire TV, to do this, you would press the home button, go to Settings, select Device and Software, and then reset to factory defaults. For some of the other or less popular Insignia TV models, you can do the factory reset with the instructions listed here. That's our video for today. As always, thank you very much for watching, and please remember to subscribe.